Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to stop losing gunfights in R6. Focus on consistently placing your crosshair at head level, even when moving. This fundamental skill ensures you are always ready for a one-shot headshot, giving you a massive advantage. Practice this in custom games or training grounds for at least 15 minutes daily. It will become second nature, drastically improving your win rate in close quarters engagements. Understanding and mastering your weapon's recoil is crucial. Each gun has a unique pattern, so spend time in the shooting range learning to pull down and compensate. Dedicate 10 to 15 minutes before each play session to practice spraying a full magazine. This consistent effort will make your shots more accurate, especially during sustained fire, helping you secure more eliminations. Peeker's advantage is a powerful tool in your arsenal. When you peek an angle, you often see the enemy a fraction of a second before they see you. Use quick peeks to gather intel and jiggle peeks to bait shots. Never hold a wide, static angle. Instead, constantly adjust your position. This dynamic approach keeps opponents guessing and gives you the upper hand in engagements. Sound is your most valuable non-visual information source. Invest in good headphones and pay close attention to every audio cue. Enemy footsteps, gadget activations, and even reloads can reveal their exact position and intentions. Use this information to pre-fire angles or reposition defensively. Being aware of your surroundings through sound will significantly reduce the number of times you are caught off guard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.